Hello everyone, welcome to Team Level channel, and in this video we are going to optimize Windows 10 PC and boost PC speed, and it will also boost FPS and increase PC performance. So without wasting time, let's start our video. So first of all, go to start menu and type %temp%. And now delete all these files because these are temporary and useless files. So after deleting files, now again go to start menu and type performance. After that, click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows 10. And here you need to select adjust for best performance. After that, just go to this PC and go to C drive properties, and here select this cleanup option.